Hey, welcome back, guys. Glad y'all are with us. A lot of progress has been made this weekend on Kiki's 72 C10, as you can see behind me. My buddy Hector, my GM guy, came over, started prepping the engine, getting ready for the cam to be installed, removed the front assembly, the intake, the manifolds, coil packs, fuel rails, alternator and power steering assemblies, water pump, compressor, starter. A lot of stuff has been done. He's getting ready to do the work. We're going to be cleaning it up. Thinking about going with the fast LSXR intake. We're going to look at that tonight. But we were able to get the old engine out yesterday. We're going to be prepping the wire harness. All this flex loom, which is traditionally okay, it's going to be coming off. We're going to be going with some Flex Tech loom, the specialty loom, and making everything real clean, very streamlined. It's going to be looking just right whenever we're done with it. But putting in all the hard work now. And just real quick, let's go around here to the other side. Come on this way. Just give you a peek what the engine bay is looking like right now. As you can expect on a 50-year-old truck, a ton of grease on the subframe right there. A lot of cleanup to do on the suspension, the upper control arms. Just the whole thing's going to get completely cleaned up, degreased, remove, pressure washed, get all this just excess grease off. Get it all cleaned up, clean up the frame rails, the inner fenders, firewall, even under the hood is going to be painted back to the factory medium olive green for this year. The core support, I already have it over at the shop right now, over at the paint shop. And the inner fender liners, the metal fender liners, that's over at the paint shop. We're going to be repainting the complete engine compartment under the hood, firewall, core support, and inner fenders, making them just right, making them come out just perfect. So we're going to clean those guys up. Just be doing a lot of work, a lot of cleanup, getting it ready, preparing it for once the engine is ready to go in, we'll have it ready to go. We're going to be doing some pretty cool wiring stuff. So instead of buying a stock part off the shelf, we're going to be custom building our complete wiring assembly for this truck. Headlight to taillight, top to bottom. It's all going to be fresh, all going to be new. Adding a lot of new technology to this vehicle, electronically speaking, even from the headlights to the fog lights, to the taillights, to the camera system, to the push button start system, to the keyless entry, to the remote start, the automatic valet start of the engine. Just a lot of stuff we're going to be doing to it. Very excited about this. Kiki's truck is going to be coming out just right. It will have a stage 3 cam in it. New lifters, new rods, new exhaust system. Looking for the long tube headers and looking for the LS swap kit, the motor mount adapters going from this frame to our 6.0 and the transmission mount also. So hopefully be picking up those this week. Stay tuned. We have a lot more coming. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell. All the updates will come straight to your phone, and come back and see us.